morning, everybody. We are back. Let me shut the TV off so I don't get any copyright issues here. Okay. We are back. We are back, and I'm going to show you why we did the lights so early. We are in central Iowa, and we are part of that big cold front that came through, and we did get some snow and really cold temperatures and a lot of wind last night. So let me just swing around here and show you. This is looking out the patio door in the kitchen, and you can see how much snow is piled up on the patio furniture out there. And you can also see in the grass how much of it is blown. You can see by the trees that it is still extremely windy here. Phil said streets were really icy this morning, and they did come by this morning and plow the driveway, so that was good. We have chili in the crock pot. You guys, look at this. I'm so hungry. But I put the hamburger in there raw this morning, so I can't eat this until tonight. I'm kind of irritated with myself that I didn't cook that hamburger this morning so I could eat a bowl of chili for lunch. But that's okay, I'll survive. But look how good that looks. All those peppers and onions and corn. Chili's a great way to get veggies into your family if they don't like veggies. And if your kids are really particular, you can cut them up a lot smaller than that. We've got red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onions, corn, and what else have we got in there? Tomatoes. So great source of veggies. And if you're like me and you're cooking for just one or two people, these little sauce-sized crock pots are fantastic. So Sean is the youngest of our five, and he is the one who is in town and not afraid of heights. And he is kind enough to come over and hang our lights for us every year. He is a diesel mechanic and has just gotten off work, so he's pretty grubby at the moment, but he works just a few blocks from where we live, so he just popped in after work to help his dad get those lights hung up before the weather turns bad.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
And now that Sean and Phil have the outside lights hung up along the roof line, we're going to start decorating the front porch. But first, I need to take the Halloween and the fall decor down and clean up the porch before we can bring in some of the Christmas decor. And again, this is not everything you're going to see. I'm going to do more outside, but I want to save some for the home tour.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Does sharing a garage side by side and only having one lamp on my garage drive me crazy? Yep. It hurts my symmetrical loving little heart. Now you understand why we chose to do the outside decor, the outside Christmas decor so early. I want it up for Thanksgiving. We have a lot of family coming in, and I like it up early anyway. I really do. And I know a lot of people put it up yesterday because the weather was so nice, but they're like, I'm not going to light it until Thanksgiving, or I'm not going to light it until the 1st of December. Mine were on yesterday, and I was happy about that. And they will stay on every morning, every night. We are the first ones in the neighborhood to turn them on, and I absolutely take a great deal of pride in that. And I love seeing them on. I love seeing them on. And I will add some video footage at the end of this to show you what it looked like last night as the storm first started to roll in. Here's a little peek of how things looked before the storm came in.
Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out.